Okay, something funny has happened this morning. We brought a drone over to get some extra footage. But Dad's never flown a drone before, and as soon as he turned it on, it took off into the distance and he had to press the emergency stop button and it dropped into the bush. Now guess who's got to go find it?
Right, let's go find this drone. I feel like I'm in that horror movie, Children of the Corn. Oh, what was that? What? Something sharp got me in the leg. Oh, let's go do some work.
Mm-hmm.
Lexi's up the back mixing some cement for the footings. Let's go see what Dad's up to. Do you need any help?
Sorry?
Do you need any help?
I figured out how to get these beams up by myself.
Oh, did ya?
Yeah. Because it's sturdy enough now, I can slide them up and push them across without all that flexing.
Oh, good, good.
So I can do it by myself now. So I'll do this while she mixes up the mud for those holes.
Cool. Now we gotta get these footings in.
Not the ladder.
Oh, you made
but,
it.
hey, the spacings are more than you used to. So your foot wants to go where there's no rungs, so you just have to pay attention.
Jesus. That's definitely safe. That's wrong. There's a big beam in the way.
Hold on.
Oh, Jesus. I'm here.
Huh?
I said I'm here.
Come up.
I can't.
I'll show you how you put these straps on.
Oh my goodness me. Here, I take the camera then.
Come on. A lot of the places I've seen around here professionally built just seem to be nailing these in like you'd do in Perth or something. But I'm going to use these cyclone straps.
How strong can these things be if you're bending them with your hands?
Well, it's not going to tear. Like the wind can't tear through it magically.
But wouldn't, where the holes are,
What?
wouldn't that tear?
Wind's not that strong.
That big tree down there really sucks because you would be able to see the ocean from up here.
Yeah.
You can see the ocean through all the trees though. Right, so the electrician's here, and Zach, obviously being a tradie, knows better than most that it's not fun to work under pressure with someone watching you. So we're going to go and leave him to do his job, and we'll just go and play with the kids or something. Just keep out of his way, but be close enough that we can help out if he needs it.
So the electrician's finally been, so now I can put the ceiling up. So all these wires you see hanging down there for the downlights. That's some light switches on the left. Light switch on the right. 2 power points on the back wall, fan up the top. TV goes in that recess on the right.
3 hours later.
Well, I am just lost for words. We were having a great morning today. I took the girls home at lunchtime, give them some sandwiches, put Daisy down for a nap. What we have come back to is chaos. Poor Zach. He's been stuck in this little hot box, like sweating his butt off. It's 90% humidity, it's 35 degrees, and he's in there holding these gyprock sheets up on the roof. They're not held on, there's just a bit of glue, and he's trying to drill them. Like, you've got to hold a screw, drill it in, and hold this sheet of gyprock. Like, absolutely hectic. You just can't do it. And he's tried his hardest, but this has really just, it's the straw that's broken the camel's back, really. Like, we've endured so much. This trip has just been hurdle after hurdle after hurdle. COVID, all the setbacks, like, this has just been so hectic, and we've taken it all in our stride, you know? Like, that's just the people we are. We just move on, we get through everything, and I've never seen him this broken. Like, this is really taking a hold on him. I've never seen him this shattered, so I hope we can push through this and finish the build, but it's not looking great. I don't know, like, do I call it a day? Do I tell him, like, hey, let's just take a break, or do we just push through? This is poor bugger.
Say whatever you want. Doing everything by myself, I can't f***ing do it. Can't get the sheets up. No one's here to help me. He's all bugger off for 4 hours for lunch every day. I'm trying to lift sheets by myself. I can't do this.
I'm here now, I can help you go on.
Can't do the whole thing by myself.
I know that. Ryan just said to Lexi in the car. She's supposed to be the one looking after the baby so that I can help you. It's frustrating not being able to help you.
No, I can't.
What?
It's a big joke to everyone.
It's not a joke. What's up, Ivy? Go and collect some coral for your rock wall. Alright, well, where's your scraper? We'll get the little blue stuff off and we'll go again.
But a local came down the street looking for work. This might just be what Dad needs.
cheer him up a little bit. Many hands make light work, and having an extra helper has made all the world of difference. I think I'll treat everyone to a nice dinner out tonight. They've definitely worked hard.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications and give us a huge thumbs up.